Okay, today we have a 54 Chevy here, grain truck. Goal is to get her all cleaned up and then put some linseed oil on it to see if we can get the paint color back on her. Years and years of oxidization on the paint there. Interior needs to be cleaned out, but not too bad. Just do a walk around here. Even cleaning this truck would probably look pretty good. Cap corners, everything's pretty nice on this truck still. Originally came from Rydell's in Grand Forks, North Dakota. Grill's still pretty good. So next step is going to be to get the power washer out. Okay. See how much this power washer takes off here. You don't want to use too big of a power washer because you can literally take the paint off. I just got a cheap, I think it's a $100 power washer there. There goes the ambulance. Hopefully no one's hurt. Yeah, some of the crap's coming off, but I think we're going to have to really scrub to get all that. You can see how much lighter green that is than that, but we'll see how it goes here. That'll be just like new here pretty soon. Yeah, it's nice this truck hardly has any rust on it. It ran when it was parked about 10 years ago, so it shouldn't take much to get going here once we get everything cleaned up nice. Okay, next step is to do the scrubbing here. Personally, I just use just your regular Scotch-Brite pads. That's all you need. And you'll see it. Sort of see the green coming off down there. Don't want to rub too hard, you can probably go right through the paint. See if you can see the difference there, but there's clean and green. So we'll keep doing that and see how she looks when I'm done. Okay, it's the next day. All the gunk and grime came off pretty good. It's time to put the linseed oil on. The brand I use, which probably don't matter what brand, but I use Sunnyside. It's just boiled linseed oil. It comes from Menards. It's roughly $25 for a gallon. Oops, full cereal bowl is about all it takes to do a whole, at least the whole cab of a truck. Goes on pretty easy. don't want to put it on too thick, or if you get runs, you will see the runs when it dries. So, well, we'll keep doing this and see how it goes. Okay, here's my progress so far. Hopefully it's showing up on the camera here. That half's done. And that half still has to be done, so far so good here. Okay, just got done with the linseed oil. Went on pretty good. Gave the tires some armor all and painted the rims black. Just make her look a little prettier. It will need new tires, but just for now. Sure brought the color out. And I'll be selling this truck, so if you're interested, just feel free to comment or message me. Have to dry out the inside, but it's all pretty good, solid still. Cab corners are all good. So there you go. There's the truck. So if you like this video, I'll be making more. Please like, please subscribe. Any comments, just leave them. Thanks. Bye.